Good morning. Good morning, Daddy. Daddy.
Be careful.
Good morning. Hey, you have to sit down. Can you get her to sit down on the thing, Daddy? So she can drink. We're having something to eat and to drink.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I like this one. This is so good.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah. And they've got like kindness is free, sprinkle it everywhere. That one is grow through what you go through. So good.
That's probably the best banana I've had.
Yeah? Yeah, they're really good here. They love the I love the thing here too. Almond croissant.
Best banana.
Nam Nilini! Kami lang dito kasi we just dropped Ate Paris actually. So it's like early in the morning now and the sun is up. Tingnan nyo.
Samuti?
Grabe, sobrang
Open?
init.
Cling, cling, cling.
Ang ating Ate Paris ay nag-school na. Daddy Mike's not working today, so nandito kami.
You're welcome.
Is it okay? Let's have this one. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, nice daw. Ooh, yum.
You need doctor? You need doctor?
What's wrong, Lini?
Tummy.
Oh, what's wrong with the tummy?
Hey. What do you think about that?
So good. Yummy?
Oh, that's the second best. I think the one I made was the best.
Yeah, I feel like I've got tendencies to do it.
Upstairs? Doctors. Oh. Hanap kami ng doctors. Will you ask for me, please? Thank you.
You can get an appointment?
Yeah.
When? What time?
How do you know my availability? We'll see if we can get an appointment, guys, sa doctor. Kasi mommy needs to go see the doctors. Tingnan nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. May mga pula-pula ako sa katawan. Look. Nag-start siya mga ano na, 1 week na siguro. And then, asa na ba yun? Oh, tingnan nyo. Makati siya. Pero hindi siya sobrang kati eh. But there's like, you can feel the itchiness pa. Yeah, daddy want to check if mama can go to Huh?
Online?
Ano? Let's see. Tingnan niyo, oh. Tingnan niyo, guys. Butoy-butoy, oh.
Walking?
Kaya papacheck na ba? Check tayo, guys. It's now 12:39. Oh my God. Nasa baba na ako ngayon. Si Baby Celine ay pinadedi ko tapos nakatulog. Daddy Michael mind her kasi nakabook ko ng appointment to see my doctor at 1 o'clock for my kati-kati, for my pula-pula ng aking katawan, guys. Tingnan nyo. It doesn't look bad now. Ayan, pero sa aking chan ay ayan siya. Kung kita nyo. So, mabilis lang naman ang consultation, guys. Just, you know, checking kung ano yung nangyayari. Kasi, now that I am a mom, super, alam niyo yung, ingat na ako sa health, guys. Kasi, you know, the earlier na alam mo kung ano yung pangyayari, like, you can find cures right away, you know. Hindi naman sa parang nag-overthink, but, like, we're just, cautious lang tayo ba. So, kapag mga ganito, ay diretsyo, pinapacheck ko talaga. So, hindi ko na-share sa inyo kahapon, we got our car back. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog yesterday, guys, kasi na-overwhelm ako, sobrang dami nangyari. So, busy I dropped the car sa hire car place, tapos pinick up ko yung sasakyan. Alam mo yun, sobrang daming pangyayari. So, hindi ko na nadala ang aking camera, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. So, yes, I'm very happy. Our car's back. It looks very good now. Seems like nothing happened. Tingnan nyo. So, makinis. Actually, yung gawang to is more pulido kumpara doon sa last place na pinagawa natin. It looks like nicer. And parang shinier, alam niyo yun? Yan. Car's back. Thanks God. So, alis na tayo before tayo malate. Nagdala ako ng tingnan niyo pang snacks kasi hindi pa ako nag-lunch. Sa Pringles, water, and then mamaya pag uwi natin may ipopost tayo. Mag-stop muna tayo ng post office. Busy ang linya. So, kakatapos lang natin sa doktor. It's now 1:49 ng hapon. And we found out na itong tumutubo pala sa katawan ko na pula-pula and bumpy-bumpy, itchy-itchy guys, ay tinatawag na pityriasis rosea. So, pinrint niya sa akin yung mga information about it. Sobrang dami. Ilan ba to? Okay. 6 or 7 pages. So, apparently guys, itong parang rash siya. Hindi nila alam kung ano talaga yung main reason nito. But, if you do something or if you don't do anything about it, it will just go away on its own. Pero nakasabi dito guys, which resolves in about 6 to 10 weeks. That's a long time, right? But sabi ng doktor, it will just go away on its own. Like, you don't have to do anything about it. Pero binigyan niya pa rin ako ng parang cream na pwede kong ilagay. Very mild lang kasi minention ko sa kanya na I'm breastfeeding Celine. So, especially guys kasi may pula-pula ako dito malapit sa ano ko, sa dibdib ko. So, pag pinapadedi ko si baby Celine ay maanuhan ng cream. Sabi niya, well, I'll give you something na mild lang. But yeah, she said you don't have to worry about it because it's not contagious. There's nothing serious about it. It's probably just like virus, something virus or bacteria in your body, sabi niya. So, yun. So, at least parang naanuhan yung pag-iisip ko. Kasi minsan, we tend to like overthink na baka ano na to o baka something's wrong now, diba? So, it's good na, you know, kumusulta ka agad sa doktor. And it's good dito sa Australia rin kasi guys, they do like bulk billing as well. So, for example, yung pagpa-check up ko, very quick lang yun. I think it was $90, but then may rebate kang nakukuha sa Medicare, which is $40 something. So, hindi talaga full price yung binabayaran mo. So, it's worth it. Pa-check ka agad. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa mga family ko sa Pinas. Kapag may dinaramdam, check ka agad para madapatan o saktong tambal ba. Hindi tayo inim mo. Ano kayang ilalagay ko dito? So, at least ngayon, meron tayong peace of mind na, will just go away. Sabi pa nakalagay dito, guys, most common in teenagers and young adults, 10 to 35. So, naka nakalagay pa ako sa inside the bracket kasi in few days time ay magiging 32 years old na si mami niyo. But it says, however, it can affect people of any age. Occurs very slightly more often in women. Approximate incidence of 0.5% to 2%. Crazy. Anyways, dito na ako ngayon sa harapan ng post office. Hindi na ako nag-vlog doon guys sa harapan pagkatapos sa doktor. Alam niyo ba, the parking there is crazy. Sobrang liit ng space, daming tao. Hindi enough yung space. Kailangan nila talagang magplano ng mabuti about sa parking. So, before tayo umuwi, gutom na rin ako. Guys, di pa ako nag-lunch. 2 o'clock na. Post ko muna ite. Sold this one on eBay. I've got this MCM leather vintage mini bucket bag. And along with that is this Tory Burch. So si ate ay naghingi na siya ng discount. Sabi niya, okay lang ba na itong dalawa yung kunin ko and I will, you know, get for this X amount. And again, sabi ko na sa previous videos ko guys, as long as kaya ni mami nyo yung price, ay binibigay ko na para ma-discourse ko na yung item. So this one is Tory Burch. So bili-bili na kayo. Sa mga taga-Australia lang naman. Kasi easier for mommy. Mabuti rin ngayon kasi early pa. Wala pa masyadong tao. Where are you, Lini?
I'm fine.
How are you?
That's me. That's me.
It's,
That's me.
it's you? How are you?
One.
Come down na. Come down na. Come down now with daddy. We have to put the car seats.
One.
Tingnan nyo, nakadress-dress na naman yan siya ng Ana. Celine, where are you? Iniwan ako ng batang ito. So, Ate Paris natin ay may swimming this afternoon. So, kailangan namin ibalik yung car seats. Tingnan nyo. Hindi pa na ano, oh. Fresh na fresh pa yan siya from yesterday. Ayan. Tinawagan ko si Daddy Mike na ano. Welcome down. Sabi pa niya, how about, ano na lang, maglakad daw kami. Sabi ko, oh my God, maglakad. Alam nyo ba kanina? Naglakad kami this morning. Sobrang init, guys. Grabe, sobrang init. Mas lumala ang aking katol-katol eh. Sobrang init kanina. Sabi ko, wala na, tingnan nyo. Hindi nyo makita yung araw, pero very humid. So, ayun, ano ka? Oh, beautiful.
It's mommy.
Beautiful dress.
Mommy. Where's your car?
Ano sila?
Car.
Yung car, yeah, that's our car. Yeah, what do you say you want, Ling? You want cheese?
Yeah.
Cheese or chips?
Cheese.
Cheese. What else do you want?
Cheese.
What else?
Cheese.
Apart from cheese.
Yeah.
Do you want anything else?
Cheese.
Do you want anything to drink?
Okay.
No, cheese.
Okay.
Car's here.
I want cheese.
Nak, are you happy to be back in your car? This is the first time you get in your car for the last 2 weeks. Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. You happy, Lane?
I want cheese.
Daddy guys, share.
I got cheese.
Like it?
Yes.
Did you say it?
It's cleaner.
I want cheese.
My face.
I want cheese.
Yes, my love. What drink would you like?
Cheese.
Stop muna kami dito sa park. Kainin muna namin yung KFC. Chips! Got some chips.
Lenny, how is it up?
Daddy. Wait, you're the.
She said, Saddy, Daddy.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Oh, this is the type of dog. Daddy and mom is different. Oh, this,
Chuchuchus, may pakanta-kanta pa. Siya na yung nagsusot ng sapatos niya, guys. She's very independent na. Tingnan niyo. See? Good girl. Yay! Papunta na kami sa swimming ni Ate Paris. Yun, nakapagbihis na si Inday. Ala, careful lang! Daddy Mike is here and I'm super excited and sa Daddy Mike din kasi sobrang tagal na hindi na siya nakasama sa swimming ni Ate Paris kasi work siya, diba? So today lang kasi naka-off siya timing na may swimming sa Ate Paris. So excited siya makita yung kanyang anak na mag-swimming. Careful lang! Away from the road, anak! Dito malalaman ni Daddy Mike kung gaano ka stressful dito. O, ako lang mag-isa. Sa Ate Paris, hintay lang ang kanyang turn. Baby Celine. Ah, God. Ganyan, oh. Okay. Sabi pa ni Daddy Mike, saan tayo uupo? Sabi ko, no, there's no upo-upo here. Pag andyan yung anak mo, hindi ka makakaupo. Tingnan mo yan, oh.
Roll to the creek. Next year we'll have roll to the creek. Then can you try your other arm a bit? Roll to the side. Jump high. And down. And then shake. And then
Frog kick.
What does he want, Lay?
Noodles.
What did you say?
Noodles.
Noodles. Can you say noodles? Tigulang noodles. Magluluto na si Daddy Mike ng dinner. Gonna have this cheese naan.
Noodles.
And what's this? Chicken nibbles.
I want noodles.
What do you want?
Noodles.
Noodles. Nakaupo na sa kanyang high chair.
Papi. Papi.
Hey, we'll have shower tonight, huh? Huh? Very sweaty today.
Papi. Bubble bath.
Bubble bath?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then. After dinner, okay?
Love you.
Who's there?
No.
Ang kakit na lang ganyan mo lini eh.
Ow.
Oh, sorry, baby. I'm sorry, Nini. Oh. I'm sorry, my love. Babu.
Babu.